Most people are still guessing what to post on LinkedIn. They scroll, they observe, they try to copy what works, but they don't actually know why something goes viral. So I wanted to test something different. What if AI could actually analyze top performing posts in your industry, understand the patterns, and then create and publish a post for you based on that? As you can see on my screen, I have already connected my LinkedIn account to Claude using Connect Safely's MCP server. This is where things get interesting because now Claude is not just generating content, it's actually executing workflows on my behalf. And I have already written the prompt here, and in this prompt, I'm asking Claude to do three things. First, analyze viral LinkedIn posts from SaaS founders, AI creators, and growth experts. Second, identify what actually makes those posts perform. And third, create a similar high performing post and publish it directly on my LinkedIn. So instead of me guessing what works, I'm letting AI study the market, generate the content, and execute it. No writing, no copy paste, no manual posting. This is something that honestly wasn't possible before. Now, normally, this entire process, research, writing, and posting would take hours. But if this works, this completely changes how professionals create content. And let's give it a few seconds and see what happens. All right, and this is where it gets interesting. The post is already live on my LinkedIn. I didn't write it, I didn't analyze anything manually, and I didn't even open LinkedIn to publish it. Claude did everything. Let me show you. Let me open up this link from here, and let's wait for a few seconds for the results. As you can see here, this is the exact post that just went live. And if you read this closely, this isn't random AI content. This is structured. It starts with a strong contrarian hook, then moves into sharp one line insights, and ends with a question that actually makes people respond. And here's the important part, this wasn't just generated. Claude first analyzed high performing posts in the SaaS, AI, and LinkedIn space, understood what actually works, and then created this based on those patterns, and then published it. No research, no writing, no guessing what might work. This is what changes everything because now content is no longer about spending hours figuring things out. It's about leveraging systems that already understand the market. And this is exactly where Connect Safely's MCP becomes powerful. It connects intelligence with execution. So instead of you doing the work manually, the system studies, creates, and publishes for you. And if you think about it, this completely removes the biggest bottleneck in content creation. Not writing, but knowing what actually works. And this is just the beginning.